To a new vlog. Today is actually the first day of spring and I thought it would be fun to kick off the new season with a little week in my life. This week is just gonna be like a little spring themed week. I want to do some spring cleaning, some organizing, some spring shopping. I'm also just about to go get my nails done. I want to do like some little fun spring nails. I just got my hair done actually. We just did like a little spring refresh and I got some curtain bangs, which I'm still learning how to style. I actually like styled them myself for the first time this morning with a little like round brush. It is so much harder than it looks when you're at the hair salon and they're just like doing it, they're flipping it around. It looks so easy. So I bought one of the round brushes to style my new bangs and oh my god, it was like very challenging. So I feel like I need to like look up some YouTube videos on how to do it, but it was my first attempt, so we're learning. At least like there's like a little bit of movement in the bangs, so I'll take it, whatever, it's fine. But anyway, I'm just finishing off my coffee, then I'm gonna head out the door. I actually need to call my Uber like right now, so gonna do that. Hi for Jess. In the door like 2 minutes ago and these are my new nails. I'm obsessed with them. They're so pretty. I did a blue French tipped nail. Is that what it's called? Yeah, French tipped, French manicure. I've never gotten a French manicure before and I'm obsessed. These are so pretty. I don't know why I never get French, but they're so pretty. I also got the same blue color on my toes and it feels so springy, even though literally when I was in there a snowstorm started and there was so much snow. Like, look at all this snow. There's so much snow on the balcony and it's the first day of spring, so that sucks. But I'm so hungry, so I'm gonna have some chips and some hummus for a little snack, and then it's almost time for dinner, so I'm just gonna eat this to hold me over and then we're gonna make something like a rice bowl or something. Had a chance to vlog today because it's been such a busy day already. But hi, hello. I'm just drinking a little blueberry pomegranate sparkling water. I filmed because I wanted to do a little spring series on Instagram. I wanted to do a little like 5 days of spring outfit ideas. So I filmed all 5 of those today. So that's what I've been doing all day. I got changed into my workout outfit because I'm going to a yoga class tonight, which I'm so excited for. I've really only done like 1 workout class since my knee injury because it like still has not been feeling like 100% better, and so that's what I'm doing tonight. I'm just so excited to get back into a good routine because I miss going to workout classes so much. Good morning, you guys. Today is currently Saturday. I'm just getting ready for the day. I'm like kind of in a rush. I'm trying to like figure out my hair with this headband. Don't really know. I haven't worn a headband in so long. So I'm trying to like figure this out. Brayden's on his way to come get me. He just left to go pick up a rental car. We rented a car for the next 24 hours. So we're gonna go run some errands. We like to rent cars every few weeks just so we can like get some errands done. And as I mentioned earlier in the vlog, it is officially spring, so I want to go pick up some like new spring pieces for the apartment. Nothing crazy, just like new like spring decor pieces, maybe like some new sheets, maybe some new like little mini decorations. I don't really know yet, but I'm excited. I love just to like refresh the space for a new season. It just makes it feel new again. We actually realized last night that we have been in this apartment for over 3 years now, which is insane. Time flies. I literally cannot believe it's been that long. that actually like kind of freaks me out that time has been going by that fast. It's kind of scary. So that's the plan for today. We're gonna run some errands and it is a beautiful day out today. It is so bright and sunny. We had a full-blown snowstorm yesterday for no reason. I swear to God, like a week or two ago it was 17 degrees and sunny and it was gorgeous, and now it's like -11. Make it make sense. We're just gonna like pretend there's not snow everywhere and we're just gonna like enjoy the sun. We made the couch so cozy last night because Brayden and I just stayed in because it was so cold out, and we just like put all these pillows on the couch and blankets, and Miko looks so cozy. He looks so cute here. What a little cutie pie. I think I'm just gonna like leave all the blankets and pillows for him so he can like sleep here while we're out today. This is the outfit today. Don't mind the TV. This is like we put a little YouTube jazz channel on while Miko's home alone to relax him. So don't mind the jazz music. This stripy top is from Revolve. The coat is from Abercrombie. Jeans are from Dynamite. The booties are from Suzanne. Belt is Suzanne. And the purse is Pauline. It's cold. We just got to the mall. We're gonna do some shopping. We just left the mall right now. We stopped at a warehouse sale for Fable and Silk and Snow. We're obsessed with Fable. Like basically everything in our kitchen is from them. So we got literally so much stuff.
Feel good.
We got so much stuff, you guys. We picked up a bunch of new things for spray. I don't even remember it, like what we got. Okay, we have the windows down and I have so many hairs that are just like flying in my face right now. But anyway, we need to get food. We're so hungry, so we're gonna go get some lunch right now. Where are we going, did we decide?
I have a plan.
Okay, Brayden has a plan, so we're good, apparently. So we're gonna get some food, and then we are going to, I have like more clothing to drop off at Plato's. I feel like I do this all the time. I just like, I'm constantly like trying to get rid of clothing. So I have a bin back here to drop off at Plato's, and then we're gonna go to Costco, Walmart, just like the boring like errands things that are not as interesting. We just walked in the door and I wanted to show you guys a quick little haul of everything we got because we got so many cute things. We ended up going to this warehouse sale for the brand Fable and Silk and Snow. I have so many Fable things. They're like one of my favorite home brands. They have so many cute things. We got this big serving dish here, which I thought was really, really pretty for when we have guests over to like put things out and serve. Also, this would be a very good pizza dish. I'm gonna have so much cardboard of this. We got some serving bowls in this, I think it's called like desert sand or something, this color. Desert taupe, I think. But I feel like this matches our kitchen very well. We got a new duvet from Silk and Snow. We've been needing a new duvet for so long, so I feel like this is the perfect time for spring cleaning. So we got a duvet. I'm not gonna open that right now because that'll be a lot of work. We got a new duvet cover and some shams. So we just got this really pretty bright white. The one we have on our bed right now is kind of like an off-white color. And I just feel like a nice like crisp white is really nice for spring. We were like kind of on the fence with getting a pink. I was like convincing Brayden to get pink. But then I was like, I don't know if it'll like look good in our bedroom because it's so small. And I feel like bright colors and small spaces kind of make it feel smaller. So we decided to wait on the pink. So maybe in our next place if we like have a bigger bedroom. All of our dishes are white and speckled. So these match our dishes. And I feel like these are the cutest little size. The bowls we have right now are like way bigger. These are perfect for doing like when you're doing tacos or whatever. And you need like tiny little bowls to put out like little taco toppings. So the set came with 4 of these. We got a serving board to do charcuterie. So we got this. How cute are these? I'm obsessed. We thought these would be really cute for like putting sauce in if you're like doing a little sauce on the side, like fries and like ketchup or something. We got this oval serving tray for like, I don't know, if I'm making like a nice dinner I don't know why. We just like really felt the need to get this. But it's just like a cute little serving tray. We also stopped at HomeSense because I really wanted some spring tea towels. And I feel like this just like brings the whole spring kitchen vibe together. How cute are these? They just have like little flowers and lemons on them. I think they're so pretty. We had kind of an early dinner, so I think we are probably gonna want to do something else, like a little snacky thing. I'm so proud of us. We stayed in this weekend. We normally go out with our friends on Friday night, but last weekend was St. Patty's and it was just like such a crazy weekend. We have been so tired all week recovering from last weekend, so we ended up staying in last night because we just wanted to chill. And oh my god, it feels so nice to just have like a chill Friday. And I think I just want to like keep the whole weekend chill because I'm not like, I don't know, I don't feel like going out yet. I just want to like keep chilling, put everything away, wash the new dishes and stuff. And I booked a yoga class for tomorrow at 12:30. So I don't think we're gonna do anything tonight. I think we're just gonna chill and have a weekend in. I'm honestly so proud of us. We haven't had a full weekend in like so long. Minus when I had my knee injury, but aside from that, it's been like so long. So I'm just like feeling the cozy vibe. So aggressively. This is the new duvet. We just washed the sheets. I haven't tried any sheets from Silk and Snow, but this is the duvet. This is my first time trying, or our first time trying out the brand. Ooh, this actually feels really, really nice. We're currently putting the new duvet cover on. How to cook or get better at cooking. I feel like I actually have been cooking a lot lately. Okay, I've been getting better, but we did not do groceries today because we were too lazy. We're gonna do groceries tomorrow, so we're having like an easy, like super simple frozen dinner. But it's fine. It's Sunday. We're starting our health journey tomorrow. But I just got this garlic bread from Farm Boy. And it's vegan, so we love. We saw this vegan gnocchi at Loblaws. We picked it up the other day. I don't know what's in it. But yeah, you just like heat it up in a pan. So we're gonna do that. Okay, we actually needed 2 packs of these because one was not a very large amount, but it looks not bad. Like it's still kind of frozen, but it looks pretty good, honestly, for like a packaged dinner. Not bad.